Assalamualaikum everyone, hope you all are fine. In this video we are going to discuss how can we download Python in Windows. So for that, what you need to do, you need to search this by download Python for Windows. Okay, so you can see that you need to go there and you have to check for it's Python 3.10.5. you need to download this and you need to wait a little bit. Okay, we need to open it. Okay, they are showing you the path. I think this path is okay. You can see this add Python 3.10 to path. This is very necessary. You have to check this. You need to do yes. Actually, what happened, I obviously told you in my previous videos that I just changed my laptop, so that's why I'm installing everything from zeros. It will take a little bit time. Okay, there are different ways you can check either Python is there. You can check from CMD if it's installed or not. You can search for a version, or either you can check if Python is installed. You can check it will be in your programming. Python 3.10.5. okay, so wait a little bit. I'm so sorry for that, but everyone should wait. Okay, so it's just I don't know what's a new program installed. They just want my you don't want this program, you can remove it with pieces of RAM. Okay, it's just done. Okay, it disable path length limit. I don't change your machine configuration to allow program including Python to bypass the ignore this. Okay, it's just done. So after installation, how can you know that it's in your laptop or it's installed? You need to search it for Python. You can see this, it's ID environment. You can do multiple programs there. There is also IDLE for Python. You can see this. So it's in my laptop now. This is just one tool you need for developing your GUIs or for different other things. So we have Qt Designer previous video, now we have Python 2. Let's see how many other softwares we need to develop basic GUI softwares. So thank you so much for watching my video.